Once it was part of Notre-Dame, and it barely escaped the French Revolution. It was destroyed because it was believed to represent a king of France. During the Revolution, sculptures associated with royal power were systematically targeted and decapitated. In truth, this head belonged to King David, a biblical figure, not a French monarch. The sculpture comes from the right-hand portal of the cathedral's west façade, dedicated to the life of Saint Anne and to the genealogy and early life of Christ. Within this biblical lineage, David appears as an ancestor of Jesus, his presence shaping the sacred narrative carved into the stone. Made from fine-grained limestone from the Paris region, the head was originally far more vivid. Inlaid black stone eyes once gave the figure an intense, lifelike gaze. Like ancient Greek sculptures, Gothic sculptures were originally painted. This head once formed part of a richly colored façade, reminding us that medieval sculpture was meant to be vibrant and animated, not the colorless stone we see today. The sculpture was carved in the 12th century, but the portal itself was installed only in the early years of the 13th century. The head of the King David survives today in a museum collection